Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save video offline on YouTube Kids. So if you are confused on how you can see videos offline on the YouTube Kids app, you can just follow this guide because this guide will show you how you can save videos offline step by step. So, if you want to keep your kids entertained during traveling or when there's no internet connections, you can just save video for offline. So, what you need to do is open the YouTube Kids application. So, I've already opened mine. In here, you can just explore and see which videos that you want to save. For example, I'm going to just okay, save this one. You can tap on this three dots icon under the video that you want to save. Sorry, let's not that one. Let's try another one. Okay, this one. You can tap on this three dots icon. Why? Okay, apparently not all video can be downloaded. Let's try to find the one who can. Which okay, this one for example, you can see there will be this pop-up when you click on this three dot icon. Just tap on download video, and now the video will be downloading. You can see the progress in here. Just wait until it's done, and once the video is downloaded, you can found it under this your staff option. So when you click on that and choose to download, you can see the videos that you download will be shown in here. Okay, let's see if it's done the downloading. Okay, it's still downloading, but that's basically it. That's how you can save video for offline and find it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if it helps you, and subscribe for more YouTube Kids tips and tech tutorials. But if you still have questions, you can drop a comment below, and also don't forget to click on the thanks. Bye.